Sunflower fam, welcome back. So I know it's been a hot minute and I do apologize for that, just some stuff going on with like school, but I'm back now. And anyway, this is just like a really quick tutorial of how to make a chevron bracelet. It's just a condensed version, so if you're still confused, let me know and I will try to fix that for you. But also, if I sound kind of weird like my voice, I do have seasonal allergies. I've taken tests and everything, it's negative, I'm all good. Just, oh my gosh, pollen, like literally is my kryptonite. So a chevron is like a pretty simple bracelet to make. If you're a beginner, I'd recommend watching Master Knots channel. If you've already heard of her, that's amazing. If you haven't, then go check her out. Her tutorials are really helpful, but basically you just want to make knots in a V. So on the left side, you're just gonna do forward knots diagonally and do backward knots on the right side diagonally and meet them. Once you come to the middle two strands, it doesn't really matter what you do. You could do a forward knot or a backward knot or a backward forward or forward backward. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Catch you in the next video.